Hey guys, what's up? My name's Kayla from Planning with Kay, and welcome to another video. So July is almost over, I have my journal out, and Luna is here by my side ready to help, which means it's time to set up my August spreads in my bullet journal. As usual, I asked you guys in my last Plan With Me video to comment your best August theme suggestions, and I then compiled the most popular suggestions into a vote over on my Patreon. And I'm so excited to announce that the winning theme was a night sky and constellation inspired theme. So without further ado, here is my brand new Starry Night sticker collection, including the 3-sheet monthly kit, the Zodiac Constellations decorative sheet, and of course the matching functional add-on sheet, all of which are available in my Etsy shop in both physical and digital versions. Every single physical sticker order from my shop also comes with a freebie sheet, and if you want to receive this exclusive Patreon-only sticker sheet as well, make sure to sign up for my Patreon before August 1st. Thank you so much to all of you again who suggested this theme, and be sure to leave your best September theme suggestions in the comments down below. If I choose your theme, your comment will be featured in next month's video. Also, in case you didn't notice the change in my journal color today, this is actually going to be the very first month in my brand new bullet journal. I just finished my 6th journal this month, and I am now starting my 7th one, which means that there is going to be a flip through video and a migration video coming very soon to my channel, so be sure to subscribe down below if you want to see when those videos come out. And with all of that out of the way, let's just jump right in and start setting up my August bullet journal spreads. So I'm starting off my setup this month with an August cover page. You can see I lost some footage here in the beginning, but I'm just creating this sort of curtained window night sky scene, and this is going to be the motif that I'll be carrying through my entire setup. So I drew in some curtains in front of this black windowsill here with the August title on top of the windowsill, and I'm using 3 Crayola markers for this entire setup, a dark blue, a dark purple, and also a dark pink, which is going to match my entire theme. So of course now I'm going in with some sticker decoration. I decided to use some stars and telescopes from the monthly kit, along with some of these zodiac constellations from the decorative sheet. I know a lot of people in my life who are really into zodiac constellations and knowing what their sign means and all of that, so I thought that it would be really fun to kind of mix that into this theme and make all of the constellations the 12 zodiac constellations. So after putting in that decoration, I'm then putting a little quote at the bottom here, of course, which is some Coldplay lyrics that just fit this theme perfectly. It says, "Look at the stars, look how they shine for you." And I'm finishing this off by putting 2018 in Roman numerals on the windowsill with my white gel pen. So moving right along in my setup, it's time to set up my main monthly calendar page. So I'm starting off with my main header at the top of the page here using this large header sticker from the monthly kit, and I'm going to be writing in my August 2019 header, again using that same white gel pen. I decided to make my sticker collection this month quite a bit darker with the color scheme, so using the white gel pen over top of these headers creates just this really fun, bright look that I think really matches this whole night sky theme super well. Now for my calendar, I'm doing another floating box style calendar this month where each day gets a box that is 5 spaces wide by 5 spaces tall, just like this. And I'm then going to put these stickers from the freebie sheet this month over top as the weekly headers for my calendar. Again, those are in alternating colors, purple, pink, and blue, which matches those Crayola colors that I picked out for this theme as well. So I'm using those Crayolas to put my little dates here in each box, just doing a stripe of color at the bottom and going over top with that white gel pen. And all the supplies I'm using are always listed in the description down below, so if you want to know specifically what pens and markers I'm using, just be sure to check out everything down in the description. So I'm now going to add some more decoration to this spread, starting off with another little window on the left. I'm creating a window that's just split in half vertically with the windowsill and a curtain on the left side. And like I said, I'm going to be incorporating the same sort of drawings throughout this entire setup. I've really been enjoying doing more hand-drawn elements in my setups to accompany my stickers. These window doodles were just really easy to do and just matched everything perfectly and made it all a little bit more whimsical, which I really enjoyed. So I'm now finishing this page off with a quote at the bottom that says, "I've loved the stars too fondly to be afraid of the night." And thank you to my patrons who suggested this quote. And after finishing this off with some extra little star sticker decoration, that is it for my monthly calendar spread. Next up in my setup, I'm going to be doing a trackers spread for the month of August, and I am completely changing this up from any habit tracker type spread that I've done before. I'm basically going to be combining my habit tracker along with my finance tracker this month. So each day here is going to get a spot that is 2 lines tall, and I'm labeling each day by creating a little star in those alternating colors and writing the date over top with that white gel pen. I'm now going to create my tracker section itself. So for each day, I'm going to have 5 different habits to check off. And then I'm also going to have a spot to write down my income and savings for that day. So like I said, it's going to be my habit tracker and my finance tracker all combined in one. So I'm creating 5 little icons here for my 5 habits, which is wake up on time, work out, water my plants, get all my work done for that day, and take my birth control. And then this section for income and saving, where I'm just going to write down my balances in my bank accounts. My next August spread is going to be my daily review and mood tracker spread, which is definitely one of my favorite parts of my monthly setup every month. My daily review is just where I write down a daily summary every single day, kind of jotting down just like a little overview of what happened that day. So I'm creating another little windowsill type of scene here, and this is where I'm going to jot down my 1-line summary of each day. So I just have a windowsill on the left and bottom, and then a curtain on the right side, and coloring that in the exact same way I've been doing for every single spread here with the purple curtain and the black windowsill. I'm then going to use the vertical number strip that comes with the matching functional add-on sheet and just put that on the left side of this page, and that is it for my daily review. Next to that, I'm going to be creating my mood tracker, which is going to be another doodle style mood tracker this month. Coloring things in to track my mood is one of my favorite things about the new way I've been doing mood trackers recently. This month's is super easy. I'm just going to be drawing 31 stars to fill in for the 31 days of the month. And I'm going to have a little color code at the top, so that way I can color in each star to correspond to my mood for each day. And again, I'm using a blue, purple, pink color scheme for my color code here. So when this is all filled in at the end of the month, everything will match and look really nice. I'm really excited to fill in the spread this month. On this next spread, I'm going to be setting up my brain dump and my gratitude log. Again, I'm starting off with those large headers from the monthly kit, and I'm then going to use these monthly spread headers that are also available in my Etsy shop, laying in the brain dump and the gratitude log headers right at the top there. So for each page here, I'm doing the same windowsill curtain scene on the whole page with curtains to the left and right. So that way I have this big empty space in the window to jot down everything I need to. So for my brain dump, I'm splitting my window into 4 sections for Patreon, stickers, YouTube, and other. And this is going to be a spot for me to jot down any sort of notes, thoughts, or ideas that I have throughout the month that maybe don't fit anywhere else in my journal. Then on the right side for my gratitude log, I'm just going to have those same 4 sections, but no labels, and I'm just going to use this whole area to gradually write down things that I'm grateful for throughout the month. I've really enjoyed having a sort of free-form gratitude log section like this every month. It's a nice sort of easy way for me to just take a little time throughout the month to be extra grateful. With that, we are moving on to the final spread of this monthly setup, which of course is going to be the very first weekly log of the month. So I'm starting off by writing in a big header at the top here for August 5th through 11th, again using those same 3 Crayola markers alternating. And I'm then going to create my daily sections here, again around this sort of curtain window scene. So this time I'm creating a window that has 7 panes of glass, I guess you could say. And this is going to be where I'm going to have my 7 days of the week. Each day here gets a spot that is 6 spaces wide, by the way, with 1 space in between. And I'm now going to be using these weekly header stickers from the monthly kit to label each day of the week. Once all my days are labeled, all that's left to do is fill up the rest of the space with some decoration. I decided to fill this up with some more zodiac constellations, Gemini, Virgo, and Pisces. And I finally am going to finish this spread off with some more decoration by just putting in some zodiac symbols at the bottom of each day. And just like that, I'm done setting up my August spreads and I'm ready for the next month in my bullet journal. I'm so happy with how everything turned out this month. This night sky theme is something I've been meaning to do for years, and I know a lot of you have been eagerly waiting for it as well. So I'm just so thrilled with the final result and the color scheme that I decided to go with, and I feel like it all really came together in these spreads. I'm also super curious to see how my new tracker spread works for me this month, since it's definitely the most different thing about my setup, but y'all already know that I can't help but mix things up. It's just part of my nature and something I like to do always. If you like this theme and wanted to use it in your own journal, remember that everything here is available in my Etsy shop in both physical and digital forms, and every physical order always comes with a freebie sheet. You can also sign up for my Patreon before August 1st to receive this entire collection automatically, and as usual, all of the links are down in the description box below. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a like, and remember to leave your September theme suggestions in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already at PlanningWithKay, and make sure you check out all the links to my shop, Patreon, and other social medias in the description box down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.